Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Wednesday, October 19, 2022 on our channel. African National Ozone officers reunite at UNEP headquarters in Nairobi. Global Refrigerator Market Competition Forecast and Opportunities, 2027. Emergent cold Latin America to acquire cold storage operations of Frigorífico Modelo. Daikin Europe expands heat pump manufacturing capacity in the Czech Republic. So, first news today. African National Ozone officers reunite at UNEP headquarters in Nairobi. After nearly 3 years of not meeting physically due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the Anglophone and Francophone National Ozone officers, NOs, of the Africa Regional Networks were physically reunited from 3 October 5, 2022, in Nairobi, Kenya. Participants included representatives from the Multilateral Fund Secretariat, the Senior Monitoring and Evaluation Officer, the Ozone Secretariat, Germany's GIZ, UNIDO, World Customs Organization, WCO, and the Union des Associations Africaines des Acteurs de la Refrigeration et de la Climatisation, U3ARC. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Global Refrigerator Market Competition Forecast and Opportunities, 2027. The global refrigerator market is expected to reach $87.39 billion by 2027 with a CAGR of 4.88% during the forecast period. The increasing population, disposable income, and technological advancements mainly drive the global refrigerator market in urban areas. The refrigerator has been one of the essential home appliance innovations over the years. The rising demand for refrigerators moved the makers to think of new technologies to improve the utility of refrigerators around the globe. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Emergent cold Latin America to acquire cold storage operations of Frigorífico Modelo. Emergent cold Latin America, the fastest-growing refrigerated storage and logistics service provider in Latin America, announced that it has signed a definitive agreement to acquire the cold storage operations of Frigorífico Modelo Formosa, a leading agro-industrial and logistics company based in Montevideo, Uruguay. This transaction is subject to customary closing conditions, including approval at an extraordinary general meeting of Formosa's shareholders, and it is expected to close in December 2022. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Daikin Europe expands heat pump manufacturing capacity in the Czech Republic. Daikin Europe NV has announced a €50 million investment in its heat pump factory in Brno, the Czech Republic. It will further boost the company's European manufacturing capacity to meet growing demand for sustainable heating solutions and contribute to the much-needed energy transition. The investment in the Czech Republic will go to the construction of an additional factory building and new production lines. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow refrigeration news on social networks. Please find the links below.